Today I'm going to be making some ephemera pieces using my stickers. This is from the Happy St. Patrick's Day collection from Echo Park. This was last year's, and so I wanted to show you how I do that. I will be using my embossing buddy as well as some dimensionals. I got these from the dollar store, and they're not very high, but it'll be cute. As well as several pieces to put them on. This was a punch, and these were with die cuts, and then I just cut these from the scraps. Let's get started. There are so many fun things to do here. We can put our little guy there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it over and take my embossing buddy. And it does make a mess, but this helps take off all the sticky. That's why it's so good to use before we stamp when we heat emboss. So all the sticky is gone now. So I'm just going to put on some dots. We can either put him straight on or at an angle. I'll put him on at an angle. Cute, cute, cute. Then I'm going to pull out some Nouveau drops. We've got Golden Sunset and Woodland Green. So there's our first one. Let's see what I can do with one of these pieces. We're going to cut that one down because it's too long. Okay. So I'm going to take my Lucky. This is going to go on this one. And again, we're going to get all the sticky off. I'm wondering if this would work too. Yep. Okay. We're going to attach like so. And then we're going to apply some Nuvo drops. Like so. Put that to dry. Now let's do a circle. These were cut out using my punch. And I'll go right in the middle there. Okay. Right in the middle. And we'll do both gold and green. Put that aside to dry. Then I have this piece that I did use a die for. This comes out of the nesting labels from Stampin' Up. Let's use that one there. The cornstarch sticks, so therefore that's how you get your surface. So I'm killing two birds with one stone. I'm kind of cleaning up my surface area here and making this non-sticky. The gardeners are here. I apologize. Between that and the sideshow people that race down the street, it's so fun. So there's that. I'm going to use a different color. This is lighter green, and it's gloss crystal drops. So there's that one. Now let's do one more circle. Nope, wait a minute. Change of plan. I'm gonna try this one on here. Yes, it's a perfect fit. It's just right. This one right here. I'm just here for the shenanigans. How cute. All right. that on. Here are the finished pieces. This one, I finished it on camera, but the noise got so loud with the gardeners that I decided to edit it out. But I did put the gold on either side. And what I'm going to do now, I think, is go ahead and, since this is such a little bit of the woodland green, I'm going to put this over it. Whoops. Okay, take two. There. So we're going to let those dry. And we'll be making cards with those later. Thanks so much for joining me, and see you soon. Bye-bye.